In this video, we will cover the basic steps for uploading a table to Rguroo from a file that is on your computer or resides on a website. When you upload a table to Rguroo, it will be converted into an Rguroo dataset, which can be used with all the Rguroo tools. I will begin by showing you two different types of tables that can be uploaded: a one-way table and a two-way table. This is a one-way table. It shows the distribution of 132 individuals by their race. For example, 34 of the 132 people were Asian. Next, let's look at an example of a two-way table. This is a two-way table that shows the results of a survey of 185 students that were asked to choose between vanilla and chocolate ice cream. They were also asked about their class standing. For example, there were 25 freshmen who preferred vanilla ice cream. Now let's talk about how the data should be set up in your files. A one-way table can be typed as either a vertical table or as a horizontal table, as shown here. If the table is presented horizontally, the first row will have levels of the factor variable, and the second row would consist of numerical values. Now let's look at our two-way table in Excel. For a two-way table, the first row would consist of levels of one factor. In this example, the ice cream preference. And the first column would include levels of a second factor, which in this case is class standing. Note that the first cell in the table is empty, as Rguroo will ignore the content of this cell. A requirement is that your file should only consist of the table information you are uploading, so no other words or data can be present outside of your table. Now I will show you how to upload a two-way table. Assuming that you have saved your table in a file on your computer, click on the Data Toolbox tab, and then select Table from Data Import. A dialog box will appear where you can select the file from your computer. I will now select the Excel file for the two-way table that I showed you earlier. After we select a file, Rguroo will provide a name that can be changed. We can also leave a comment about the data. The last thing we need to do is name the row and column variables. If this was a one-way table, we would only name one of them and check the box labeled one way. We can also give a name to the numerical values. Now that we named the variables appropriately, we can click Upload. And now we have successfully uploaded the table to Rguroo. Finally, let's see the uploaded table. Note that this table is uploaded as a data frame with two factor variables of ice cream preference and class, and a numerical variable that we called count.